Wait, did I just lose to an AI? No way. This is not happening. I thought humans were superior. But this AI just did something I never expected. And I have no choice but to admit, I might be in trouble. Because today, I challenged an AI to beat me at everything. Yes, everything. And trust me, things got out of control. But before I show you how it completely humiliated me, let me introduce myself. Welcome to Hasnain Tech Automation, where we don't just talk about AI, we push it to its limits. If you love tech, automation, and mind-blowing AI experiments, make sure to stick around, because this is going to be wild. And today, I'm putting my skills, my knowledge, and even my human instincts to the test against artificial intelligence. No excuses. No second chances. Just me versus the machine. And you won't believe what happened next. Alright, let's start with something simple, art. I grabbed a pen and a piece of paper. I had 5 minutes to draw a masterpiece. Meanwhile, I asked AI to create an image in the same amount of time. I started sketching. I was feeling confident. But when the AI showed me what it created, my jaw dropped. It looked like something from a high-end art gallery. And my drawing? It looked like a 5-year-old made it. Okay, that's 1 point for AI. But don't worry. I'll win the next one. Or so I thought. This time, I challenged AI to write a short story. I wrote a gripping thriller about a detective solving a mystery. It took me 30 minutes. Then I asked AI to do the same thing, and in 10 seconds, it gave me a full detailed story, with better plot twists than mine. I was speechless. 2 points for AI. But I wasn't giving up. Because next, we were going to a challenge where I should have the upper hand. Humans have emotions. AI doesn't. So I decided to test if AI could understand human emotions better than me. I gave it 5 scenarios with different emotions. And I tried to analyze them myself. Guess what? The AI predicted the emotions with 99% accuracy. Meanwhile, I got 2 wrong. Wait, what? How is that even possible? That's 3 points for AI. And at this point, I was panicking. I needed to win something. So I picked the ultimate challenge. Something AI should never be able to do better than me. AI might be smart. But creativity? That's our thing. So I told AI, come up with a completely new business idea. I also wrote my own business idea. Mine? A smart coffee machine that knows your mood and makes the perfect coffee. Not bad, right? Then I saw what AI generated, a wearable translator that instantly translates languages in real time. What? That's actually genius. And I had no choice but to admit, that's 4 points for AI. I was losing badly. But then, the final challenge came. And this was the one thing AI could never beat me at. Or so I thought. AI has data. I have common sense. So I gave AI a trick question. If a doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every half an hour, how long will it take to finish them? The AI replied, 1.5 hours, which is wrong. Because you take the first pill immediately, then 30 minutes later, then another 30 minutes later. So the answer is 1 hour. And finally, I won. For human. 1 not exactly the victory I hoped for, but at least I got 1 point. And here's what I learned. AI is powerful. But we are the ones who control it. And that means, instead of competing, maybe it's time we learn how to use AI to our advantage. Because the future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. And if you want to see just how powerful AI can get, hit that subscribe button. Because next time, I'm taking AI to the next level. And trust me, you don't want to miss it.